up, Huncho Squad? This is Mama Huncho, and I am coming to you with another vlog video. Yeah. What's up, gang? What's up, Huncho Squad? So I am.
You only saying gang because I'm in the car?
No.
Do you say gang when I'm not in the car?
Yeah, I do. Boy, I say whatever comes to mind.
I thought you were trying to be cool.
No, I was not trying to be cool. Okay. Damn, I ain't closed my garage door. Anywho, y'all. I'm on. I gotta put some gas in here. Again.
You wanted to say
I got lost yesterday. No, I didn't. What are you talking about? I'm cooking dinner. Like, what are you talking about? No.
I said
E? Oh, I don't want to be on E, no, and I don't want to go under.
So bad.
I don't want to go under a half a tank either.
I know your rhythm.
Right. So.
I'm just saying.
But that's E. Half the tank is E to me. Oh, all right. Thank you. Anywho, gang. Huncho Squad. I'm on.
Watch the man on the
I see this. What the hell? But his ass, I should have turned my camera around so y'all could have seen that. Okay.
No, he's strolling.
Oh man, he on one of them Hoover rounds, going fast as heck. Like, what the heck? But anywho, I'm on my way about to take my son, one of my sons. Why is they just sitting here in the middle of the damn street? It's a two-way street. I told y'all yesterday. What did I tell y'all yesterday? I told y'all they out here AZ. They crazy with the driving. I'm telling you, they crazy. I told y'all that shit yesterday. Y'all don't be believing me. And I can't I told y'all that's why I don't even like these damn iPhones, cause I can't even switch my camera around. At least on my Android, I can switch my camera around when I'm live, when I'm doing a video. I can't even do that. So I gotta either pick up my phone, turn it around and let y'all see, and I might get into an accident. And I don't like that. I like hands free, you know. And but yeah, they be driving crazy. I told y'all that yesterday. Oh my God. But anywho, I keep talking. Cause these people keep on. You need to go gas station. So I won't have to, when I leave, go get your daddy from work. Yeah, y'all. I need a car wash. I need a straight up detail. Like, I need my whole car detailed. Alright, I gotta get some gas. Get some freaking gas. Dang, see? And that's another thing. I can't see. I be having to stop my live to use the dang on my Circle K thing. Man. Oh. I'm about to say I left my damn cup in the car. It's so hot out here, y'all. I can't wait till October get here. We at Circle K. Ooh, it feel good in here. Oh man. My ice melting. Damn it.
What was the thing? Is it fucking Alaska in here?
Oh man. People be tripping. Oh, let me get some gas. I guess I won't be using my thing. So I'm gonna go to this. Where I'm at, Pump 9. Yeah. I think I'm on Pump 9 by Fuel. Select Pump 9. Add to cart. I hate using these things. $15. Let's see. That's what I got. $15. I think. 5 cents. Yeah. Good thing I only gotta put okay with that.
You have ID?
Pump 9 reserved.
Transaction complete. Please take your items.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Woo! It's hot, cha. It's hot out there, y'all. Oh my God, I can't wait till October get here. Oh, I can't wait till October get here. Dang, I'm mad though, cause I couldn't use my dang on circle, inner circle thingy. Like, I get 10 cents off. Then I could have used the coupon from Chime. See, that's why I be on. That's why I need my camera, and I had to send the camera back because everything I be doing on my phone, and I need a camera. And then this stupid phone right here, since I broke it, it don't want to work. It half works. When I try to do videos on here, it cuts off. Like, I can't do nothing on there but play games and take a call. I mean, I can check my social media or watch YouTube and stuff like that, but like trying to do videos, nope. All right, got the gas. I be forgetting that it locks on the phone.
Trying to leave me outside to eat. What if a lion came behind me and tried to tackle me? And you ain't had a door unlocked, ready for me to get in. I'm gonna attack. Been on 2 seconds.
Yeah, you probably would have been.
Attacked by a lion and in the heat.
Unless you
It's ridiculous.
would have jumped on top of the car.
No. How much hops lions got?
Right, they would have jumped on top of the car too. I need some air in my tires.
You need everything.
I got
Oh,
so
dude.
much dog.
Let's go out do
That's what's Tell me I lost my left dog nutting. It's right here, y'all. This is good.
it. Like the grass.
That damn ghost car up there driving so damn slow. He straight up doing the speed limit.
Here go that XM5.
What's that? Oh, right there. See? He made us miss the light. I wouldn't even miss that. Y'all, I can't even put my damn teeth in my mouth because my mouth hurts so bad. And then, oh my God. I don't know, y'all. Getting old, I guess. I don't know. This hat is too tight on my head. I hate anything on my head. It's ridiculous. Like, anything on my head give me a headache. Anything. Wigs, weave, whatever, braids, whatever. It give me a headache. I think something's wrong with my brain. Even when I wear my glasses, like around here, around that part, give me a headache. And this hat.
You got a sensitive head.
I know. And not only that, y'all, I can still feel my soft spot. I don't know if y'all can, but I can still feel my soft spot. I don't know. Maybe because I don't know. I get migraines real bad. And they be lasting for days. Whew. I ain't ate nothing all day either though, so that could be why I might be getting a headache because I ain't ate nothing all day. And it's 1:50 and I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. I got up at 6 this morning. But I'm cooking dinner and I don't have no money to be trying to buy nothing to eat. But I'm not done cooking, you know. I got my meat in the crock pot. My beans is done, so they're done. My beans, I cooked some black eyed peas. My meat cooking in the crock pot. So when I get back home, I'm gonna cook the rice and the cornbread. And yeah, the rice and the cornbread. The rice shouldn't take me that long. Cornbread ain't gonna take me that long, so. But I was trying to have all that stuff done before it's time for me to go get Bird from work because he's trying to get off at 5 o'clock. So that means instead of me leaving at 5, I have to leave at 4. Well, I ain't gotta leave that early today because today's Sunday. I don't know why I keep thinking today is Monday. It's 1:51. You about to be late. Especially with this slow ass car in front of me. They going slow because of that dang on ghost car. Dang. Yeah, today's Sunday, y'all, so. Ooh, it's so sunny out here, y'all. I don't know what y'all weather is, where y'all at. But this ain't no joke. Like, I don't know if people get used to this or not. You know what I mean? So like, I don't know, like, if people, but then the natives, the people that's from here or whatever, like what I'm trying to say, I just lost my train of thought, y'all. What was I saying? Oh, like if they really get hot out here like that, like, because to me it seemed like they used to it, you know. But like people that been here maybe, I don't know, for some years, and they could like over 10 years, because if you live somewhere over 10 years, then you know you're a native there or whatever, you know. So I don't understand why I keep getting behind slow ass people. Slow people, what is wrong with you people today? I don't know. I don't be like in no rush, but I just be like ready to get back home, you know, so I can sit down and chill. Stop, boy. Hey, you shaking my car. Jermaine, stop. I already need tires. Stop it.
Huh? I got my earphones in. What you say?
You heard me.
I didn't hear
You heard me. I said stop
Yeah.
shaking my car.
Oh, my bad.
You know I need tires.
You know my favorite song on right now.
I don't know that. I don't know that.
They're from your hood.
I don't know. Still don't know.
I might have put my earphones back in.
Yeah, just don't shake the car. Oh man, I'm so hungry. What you eating? What you eating? Hey. What you eating? What you eating?
Rinse.
Let me get one. My stomach, yeah.
You want the rest? You want the other two? What one gonna do?
Take peanut butter. I thought it was cheese time. I mean, it's right. Ooh. My stomach is empty though, for real. And I don't know why. I ate hamburgers and
That's what I'm
french
about to
fries.
say. Did you eat?
Hamburgers and french fries.
I already ate 3 times today.
You should be good until you get off work.
And I just went to the gym.
You should be good.
I did 45 minutes in the gym. I think. 45.
Y'all, did y'all know I had freckles? Did y'all know I had freckles? I didn't know I had freckles until I got older. I really didn't. And then it seemed like, and then they started coming out even more. Like, I don't know, it was just weird. But I didn't know that what I had on my face was freckles. But yeah, and I like them too. I like my freckles. That car just looks great. Where I'm taking my son to go to work, down here yesterday, he said somebody got hit on a bike, ran over. They had it blocked off. Like, they had it blocked off. That person probably was speeding. what the hell?
Yeah, he got hit right here.
Mm.
They had the yellow tape from right here, all the way down. The police was down there. They had flares in the streets too.
Mm. That's crazy. That's because you can't, like, I don't know. You don't know who fault it be out here, because, like I said, you got, I don't care what you ride, a bike, a scooter, a car, a truck, a van, a bus, they drive crazy, okay? Like, you be like, what in the world? So you literally, you do have to watch out for yourself and everybody else when you driving out here. Because these roads, these people be just so in a hurry. I think I need some air in my tire.
That's the girl that got me sound ugly sound.
Dang. That cracker did help a little bit. She just mad because ain't nobody's paying her no attention up here. Yeah, don't say nothing to her.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah. Dang. So y'all, I ran out of my Biotin vitamins, right? And I probably ain't had none since it's been maybe a week now. I ain't had none a week or two, and all of a sudden my nails and my toenails just been breaking. Now, mind you, they were hard. Like, they were hard, healthy, feeling and everything. Now all of a sudden they just breaking. They just breaking. Just anything just breaking. I think I'm gonna have to get me something to eat, because like I said, I'm hungry right now, and I still gotta cook the rest of the food. So I think I'm gonna stop at I need something healthy, like for real. My damn mouth, man. And then when I put my parcels in, they be hurting down here, like. So I'm trying to let this heal some more before that lighting, that sun out here is just shining, and it's got the lighting on. Crazy looking. Oh man. Anywho. So lighting is crazy. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get something from oh, I know what I'm gonna get. They be having I'm gonna go to what's the name of that what's it called they do need to, but see, they be fixing the wrong streets. You know what I mean? Like, they be fixing the wrong straight. That's what gets me. I am Jack in the Box. That's what I'm about to get, some Jack in the Box. They pretty cheap. I can't. Oh, they got $5. I can't eat no chicken. I can't eat nothing hard. Let's see. They got the mini bang bang. What is that? Sauce loaded Southwest chicken. Oh, that's what I want. Mini. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. The mini chimney bang bang sauce loaded. Can I get the mini chimney bang bangs?
Do you want the regular or do you want the...
I wanted Southwest chicken sauce and loaded. Oh, I gotta stop my lap. No, I don't. I don't think so. And that's it. Okay, thank you. Because I be having to go in my app and put money to my card. Add money to my card. You know what I want? Ooh, they got shrimp cocktail. Have y'all ever had shrimp cocktail from a Mexican restaurant? It's so freaking good. Okay. Yes, please. Whatever y'all get. Whatever type of salsa stuff y'all got. Thank you. Oh, it went through, so I must have had some money on that credit, because I got a credit card through Chime, but you put money on there, you know, you add money to it, so that's what I do. Every time I get paid, I just add money to it. But it builds your credit though on Chime. It really does. But this gonna hold me over until I get home and cook the rest of my food. But I'm looking at that Mexican restaurant over there, y'all, cause it's so many. They everywhere. But I think I told y'all about the one. It's cause it looks like a old, like one of them old vans, Scooby-Doo vans. That's what it looked like. But they turned it into a restaurant. It's cute though, cause you can eat outside. You know, and then they got the little water sprinkler coming out and everything. So, yeah. But, they Mexican food is good. And Flaberto's, certain ones, their food good. I done had quite a few places where we done been and ate, and it was good Mexican food. But what? Oh man. I gotta stop this live, y'all. Hubby calling. Alright.